This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 74. What stable interest actually feels like. Not excitement, not urgency. Many people wait for interest to feel loud, exciting, magnetic, impossible to ignore. But stable interest doesn't arrive like that. Biologically stable interest is quiet. It doesn't push. It doesn't rush. It doesn't demand action. It feels more like I can stay with this. I don't need to escape. I don't need to decide yet. There is no spike, no pressure, no adrenaline. And because of that, it's often overlooked. Unstable interest feels intense. Stable interest feels available. During recovery, the nervous system favors signals that don't cost much energy. So stable interest arrives as neutrality with worth, calm attention, gentle return. You think about it again without forcing it, not because you should, but because your system allows it. This is how the body says, this doesn't threaten me. I can afford this. Stable interest doesn't collapse when you pause, it waits, and that's the key difference. If something keeps returning without urgency, without fear of missing out, without pressure, that's not boredom, that's regulation. Trust what stays without chasing. That's where direction begins. Next episode. Why pressure kills interest even when it looks like discipline. Thank you.